Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove your earbuds Plantronics Backbeat Pro from the application. You have to start by open Backbeat application. After that, we need to disconnect these earbuds from your phone. We can unpair them or just disconnect. So we have three options how to do this. The first one is to put these earbuds to the charging case. Now disconnect it, or we can go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds, near to your active earbuds. And then right here we have two options, disconnect and unpair. So if you want to just stop Bluetooth connection with them, but leave them at the device list to reconnect them in the future, you can select disconnect. Or if you want to totally remove them from your phone, select forget. So just disconnect them and we return to the application. Again, we disconnect it. So then at the right top we have this trash icon, and you need to tap at this icon and then delete headset. And now, as you can see, we have no devices in the application. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!